Hey YouTubers, this is Old John. I'm going to do a video today with the assistance of my lovely wife on a new purchase of the Shark lift away vacuum that we just recently purchased through a Walmart company. And this is the box. This is not the box that it came in. It was a cardboard box, but it was the same size and didn't have any additional packing. But anyway, so my wife's going to unpack it and talk to you about it.
Well, here's the box. It's not been opened, so when you open the box, you can see right on top, you have a couple books. You have the quick start guide, and then you have your instruction manual for the Shark Lift Away Duo cleaning vacuum. First thing it looks like it's on top here is the floor unit. The Duo Clean actual floor unit. It's there. I mean, it's fairly heavy, and it's got two rollers on the bottom of it, which is kind of different for me.
Okay, so there's this packing that's on top.
Then it looks like you've got one of the cleaning tools, crevice tool on top. Looks like it's just a little snap-on unit. And then you have another attachment. I believe they called it a pet cleaning tool. Good for, you know, pet hair. For people that own a pet. The bristles, it's stiff, but it's nice and soft. A nice soft feel to it. And this looks to me like, here's the hose. Yeah, this is the hose. That's here. Looks like the handle is nice and soft. It's there.
It's about probably 3 feet long.
Okay. This here appears to be a wand unit that probably connects onto the hose. I haven't read the instructions on how to assemble it yet, but I would say that's probably the wand unit that connects to the hose. Down the box,
More packing.
and last but not least, you have the actual canister lift away unit here, and you know, again, it's a pretty solid canister. It's heavier than I thought that was going to be, which is nice. I got this particular model. It's the NV770 Shark Lift Away vacuum, the NV770. One of the major reasons I bought this unit was because, you know, the standard cord length is 25 feet, but with this model, it's 30 feet. So I got an extra 5 feet on my cord length which, you know, again, I think will be nice for stair cleaning as well as long hallways. And that looks like it's the end of what's come in the box.
Some packing in the bottom. Some of the features: triple particle cleaning, large, small, and stuck on. More suction versus Tyson's small ball multi-floor. Cleaner air compared to Bissell and Eureka. These are based on certain specs. And there's the triple particle cleaning action. It cleans carpets, additional soft brush roll, pulls in larger particles, and directly engages floors for a polished look. There's some pictures of it in use. Crevice tool, and then pet multi-tool, and then upholstery tool, stiff bristle brush. Okay, Hepa filters alone are not enough. Complete seal technology, anti-allergen, captures and holds over 99.9% of dust and allergens, not releasing them back into the air you breathe. And this is based on ASTM F1977 of particles 0.3 microns and larger. Okay.
Another good feature about this vacuum that I liked was, you know, on its two filters. One filter is called a pre-motor filter. It's foam and felt, and you clean it every 3 months. Then it has a post-motor filter, or the Hepa filter. It's washable, reusable, and their recommendation for maintenance on that is to clean once a year. So that's a nice feature. It's got a bagless dust cup. All you do is just release the bottom plate and dump it right into your trash can. You can wipe it out if you really want to keep all the dust out of your dust cup. Then you've got your two reusable filters, including the Hepa filter. Just wash it with running cold water. Let it air dry, and do that once a year. It's there. So nice feature.
So there are the all the components, and she will assemble it next.